Everybody, thanks for joining me again. Tonight I'm going to try to go a little bit outside my normal colors. So, as a request. So here we are. Um, Also trying to bring you down for a different perspective. So the colors I'll be using tonight are Fairy Floss, which is this one, followed by Magic Orange, which is a Sakura, I believe is how you spell it. Or not spell it, but say it. Pigment, followed by some yellow. I really don't remember the brand or anything like that. Um, Also using Golden's Magenta in their high flow line, TLP Rose Quartz, which is like a interference color, and also some Golden Permanent Violet Dark. Cell activators, I'm going to use black or not. It's Paynes Gray and white in this one. Um, it is on a 8x8 canvas, and yeah, I'm gonna be using a blow dryer with this one. So a little bit, you know, one blow after another. Everybody had the stomach bug around here, and then I don't know, a week or two later, here I caught it. So that's been fun, but it's over with now. Um, so with this, I really don't know what I'm going for with this one. These are just a lot of the colors that I tend not to use. I've used the orange one before, and I will say that a little bit of that goes a long way. And so I didn't use quite as much of that orange, just because I didn't want it to overtake. Um, and found this out the hard way with the purple here. Um, this goes a long way too, which you'll see here in just a moment. Um, so yeah, I tried. A lot of people use the Paynes Gray as a cell activator. I've never really used it. I just use my Amsterdam Oxide Black for the most part, and I want to say the Paynes Gray really did really good. Just the only downside to it is I need to probably thicken it up just a little bit, because if you can tell, my white is really sinking fast with this. So sorry for my head, I just couldn't get a good blow on it. Normally with that, I try to get like you want to blow down on the cell activator to make it a bigger puddle for when you come in with the blow dryer. And so as you can tell, I blew too hard in like the bottom area right there, so that's going to probably drive me crazy. And the violet purple stuff, man, let me tell you, it goes so far. A little bit goes a long way. For the most part, I like this, but it's too much violet, too much purple stuff. So I am gonna finish like blowing out the cell activator here and there, and I'm gonna spin it out, and I'm gonna see, what I get. Again, this is my spinner. This is not sped up or anything on this portion of it, so that is legitimately how fast my spinner does spin. But yeah, see those two little white blowout areas where I blew too hard with the blow dryer? Yeah, I don't like that. I really don't. And if you watched me before, yeah, see, I didn't like that. So we're gonna start over. Yeah. If y'all know me, I have my little quirks. So if I don't like part of it, it's going. It's like it's going. Unless somebody's here directing me not to do it, it's gonna get poured over. So here we are. I'm gonna try to use up most of my paints for this one. Kind of do a little bit differently. I would have brought you back down, but I want to make sure I get a good blow on the cell activator to try to spread it out before I bring down the blow dryer. But yeah, it turned out good, except for too much violet. And I'm not going to add that much violet this go around. And as you can tell, I'm kind of doing a little bit different. I'm going off script here. I'm adding colors in between colors I didn't do in the first one. But it'll work out. I'm sure I'll get some what they call peacock cells is what they call them. So I'm not. Yeah, see, I didn't use as much violet on this time. So here we are with Paynes Gray, and then my white Amsterdam titanium white cell activator, and blow it out. So here's you a close up after blowing it out and then blowing out the cell activator here and there just a little bit. Honestly, I like this one a lot better, and see that it's not as much violet, so I'm happy about that. And that lighter color you do see is the interference colors. So we're going to go ahead and spin this one out and see what we get. Hopefully it turns out just the way I had hoped, and I don't get a little, I don't know, a little quirky and decide to scrape this one too, but I don't think I'm going to do that. It's looking pretty good, and you know, after I spin this out and everything, I will bring it down for a closer look. Hope everybody's been enjoying the videos. Sorry they've been kind of few and far between. So here's a close-up. Looks awesome. And look, I got the peacock cells too, even in the center, so really loving that. Again, thank you for watching, everybody. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it, and hope everybody's doing good. Take care. Thanks for watching again.